Northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Amazing.
At 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located.
Yeah, my Skyward net's is going to activate again. Skystream is activated right now. It's been activated for a little bit.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
That's the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Trees in Williamson County have been snapped or down by this line of storms. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Lebanon, Smyrna, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Molina City, Eagleville, Christiana, Fosterville, Triune, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Rockvale, Gladeville, and Lascassas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.